Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the adjustment, how you can do the adjustment in your video in Inshot app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Inshot app and then we need to open it. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on the video, and after clicking on the video we have to click on the new, and after clicking on the new, as you can see now, we have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, so we have to hit the right, and after clicking on the right, as you can see, the video is imported. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the effect option, and after going to the effect option, as you can see in the last we have adjust option, so we have to click on the adjust option. So as you can see, after clicking on the adjust option, you will see some other options like the lightness. If you want to increase the lightness, you can also do that, and the contrast is provided here. If you want to increase the contrast will be increased like this. And the warmness, as you can see, I'm going to increase a little bit warmness. This video don't require adjustment, but I'm going to show you, because as you can use these options easily. So if you want to increase this, you can also do that. And the saturation is here. If you want to increase it, you can also do that. And the curve is provided here. I'm not going to use it, so let's go to the back. And now HSL provide fade is also here. And if you want to increase the highlights, decrease it, shadow is also provided here, color, few, and all options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can use them. So in this way you can use the adjust option and do the adjustment of your video in Inshot app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.